Ay, wala na. Guys, umakyat naman kami sa bundok. Bundok na naman. Ano to? Puro bundok na pala ito eh. Baguio.
Punta naman tayo Trinidad. Sa strawberry farm. Marami siguro ahas dyan.
Hindi mo alam, may mga bahay pa dyan eh.
Sa likod niya. Daming bundok pala dito. Sa atin kasi
Dito kasi green. Dito green. Green na green. Sunny day. Disneyland. Dito na pala.
Ganda Disneyland nila, madaming puno.
Disneyland yun ang entrance. VIP ata tayo. Disneyland guys. Disneyland.
Videohan mo yung entrance guys?
Hindi gaano kita. Disneyland. Entrance of the Disneyland. May mga taxi din. Hong Kong Coachburg. Hindi ganito kalaki ang lugar kasi nakita kasi nila siguro din ang space. Yun sa atin. Dapat sobrang laki. Maliit nga lang to eh.
Can we wait till our people come? Can we wait till the other car comes? Because we don't have the ticket. Is possible?
I think they're already there.
Are they already there? How do you think they're already there?
That car is a white car.
Yeah. They come before us? They left after us.
Bakit hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok doon? We're not allowed to go. Papalayuin na tayo, te.
We should go down here and wait. Yeah, because that near here.
Here? Okay, this is better. At least we're out of the rain here.
And then